Today we'll be making 2 different kinds of bookmarks, so let's get to crafting. So for this project, you are going to need some paper clips, some yarn, and of course some scissors. Choose one of your paper clips and then cut 10 6-inch pieces of yarn. And you'll also need a smaller one to tie your tassel. Once you have all 10 pieces of yarn cut out, you're just going to thread them through your paper clip. So once you have them thread through, bend them in half, take your smaller piece and tie it to form a tassel. Then bend your knotted ends down and trim down your tassel to 2 inches. I love this! Oh, these are my new bookmarks. Okay, these are so cool. So once you have one made, you can make a ton so that you have a whole supply of them, like I now have. So for this next bookmark, you're going to need a keychain ring and some yarn. Start by cutting 3 long strips of yarn. Put your 3 lengths of yarn together, put them through the keychain ring, put the ring in the middle of your yarn, and then tie it in a knot. Then tape the edge of the key ring down on the edge of your table. Now divide your yarn into groups of 2, and you should have 3 groups. Then you're just going to go ahead and braid it. Once you have made it longer than a book, tie the end. Then trim down the edge so that you have a little tassel at the end. Then untape your keyring from your craft mat. Whoa, this is long. So this is how it turns out. I really like it. Just put it in your book and you have a really cute bookmark. Thank you guys for joining today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.